It might be a little bit too noticeable, but I'm very excited about today's post. It's another video, and again, you are going to be able to change the font, the colors. You can add your logo, you can add your contact information, your picture. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now. So once you click on the link, this is what you're going to see. You do not need a subscription for this video. So then you click on use template and look at this amazing video. So I created a very simple one. You are able to update anything. You can update not only fonts, not only colors, but you can literally update the wording. So you simply double click and you can select and add or remove whatever you would like. I added some animation to these elements here, to this text in here. So if you don't like, you simply click on here. See, it's the block animation that is selected. If you don't want that, you simply click in here and clicking none. But I have see this one? I have this one selected. So in order for you to change is you just move this needle for you to see the what you were able to change. Then you can again double click in here on these. I group these two. If you want to have this title on the left and this wording on the right, you simply need to select these two and click in ungroup. Okay, very, very simple. The next slide, the same thing. So if you don't like what I typed, you are more than welcome to add or remove anything that you feel like you would like to have on the video. The last one is for you to add your contact information. If you don't like this title here, you can change. You can add your picture. If you don't like this is a like a frame. You simply need to either you can remove the whole thing. If you don't like, you go to the trash. And you either delete the image or you delete the frame, which will delete the whole thing, and you add your picture in here if you would like. If not, just keep it as simple as possible. Here you will add a logo. I grouped these two, so the square and the word, just because it's easier for you to simply select and bring it to the trash, and you can add your logo here. And you can bring it here, bring it here. It's really up to you. The music though, Canva does not give you a lot of free options. I already looked into all of the music that you can use, and a lot of it is paid. So you need to have the Pro account. Okay, so the ones that have the crown means that you either pay for that music to use that music, which in this case, see, it's showing it costs $3, but the one that I chose is one of these, which is the free option. Once you are done with your video, if you would like to see how it looks, you can use the play button, and then you simply need to click in download. It's going to recognize it's a video, so MP4 already. And in this case, you are going to select all of the slides, and then you click done, download. You download that into your computer, and you're more than welcome to share that on your social media. I believe that it does not look nice on Instagram. You can try, but it will look better on Facebook. And I believe that you can also upload this into your YouTube channel. Okay, and that's it. And that's it. Isn't that awesome that you now can create a very simple and quick video in Canva? Feel free to actually post that every month. There's no problem with that. You can really tweak a little bit the information or the wording on the video and use that as a template. You know why? Because that's a template. So I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.